Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to take a selfie or a photo without touching the mobile display screen in Android smartphones. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android smartphone. So firstly what you need to do is just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Google Assistant. Just search this application. So in most of the modern Android smartphones, this Google Assistant is preloaded. So if you have not installed this Google Assistant, then just click on install to install this application named as Google Assistant on your respective Android smartphones. Then after installing, just tap on open and proceed with the instructions for setup. So I have already done a setup for these applications. So once this application is being installed, now say you want to take a selfie or a photo, right, without touching your mobile display screen. So how you can do that? So say let me bring one object here. So I bring one toy and say now just pick OK Google, take a photo. So you can see here the Google Assistant is taking a photo for me. So let us try using the front camera to take a selfie. OK Google, take a selfie. So finally you can see the Google Assistant is taking a selfie as well as a photo just by using my voice command. So using these cool tricks, you can easily take a photo or a selfie without touching the mobile display screen in any Android smartphones very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.